What if I told you that the most beautiful plants in your home don't need a single grain of soil? Imagine a garden that breathes in crystal clear water, thriving for years right on your kitchen counter. This is the forgotten world of water culture, where the secret life of roots is finally revealed. Our grandparents knew this magic, using simple glass jars to create lush, emerald green windowsills. While the world sells you messy dirt and complex fertilizers, nature offers a cleaner, simpler path. Today, I'm revealing 20 plants that love water, including one that roots so fast it's almost electric, and a kitchen secret at number 20 that will turn your entire window into a living jungle. Backed by science and tested by generations, these plants are more resilient than you've ever imagined. Prepare to change the way you see indoor gardening forever. This is your journey to simplicity. Let's count down the top 20 plants that thrive in only water, starting with the Indestructible classic. We stand at the threshold of a biological marvel, a world where soil is no longer the master. Welcome to the grand countdown of 20 plants that have mastered the art of living in pure water. Number 1. Pothos. In the wild, it is a relentless climber. In your home, it is a symbol of resilience. Devil's ivy is its name, born from its refusal to die, even in the darkest, most neglected corners. Place a single cutting in water, and you witness a primordial urge to survive and flourish. Within days, its white water roots emerge, seeking nutrients with surgical precision and grace. Number 2. Lucky bamboo, a botanical imposter that has carried secrets of prosperity for generations. It is not bamboo at all, but a resilient dracena that has perfectly adapted to riverbank life. Standing in stone and water, it becomes a living sculpture, reflecting the ancient peace of Zen gardens. Number 3. Heartleaf philodendron, the most romantic traveler of the indoor plant world. It tracks the light with its glossy leaves, trailing down like a silken green waterfall from your shelves. Its aquatic roots are permanent, functional organs, designed to sustain the plant for a lifetime. Number 4. The spider plant, a generous mother that sends out clones of itself on long, arching stems. These spiderets are pre-wired for water life, carrying tiny root nubs that thirst for the liquid world. Once they touch the surface, they grow with a ferocity that can be measured in hours, not days. Number 5. The peace lily, an ivory white queen that brings a touch of tropical elegance to your vase. While she demands patience during the transition, her white roots eventually become a masterpiece of nature. She filters the air and calms the room, blooming silently in her transparent, soil-free sanctuary. Number 6. Chinese evergreen, a survivor that paints its leaves with silver, pink, and deep emerald. In the silence of water culture, its colors intensify, turning your windowsill into a living stained glass window. Number 7. English ivy, the classic trailing beauty that has decorated ancient castles and cottage windows. It roots so aggressively in water that it feels like a biological takeover of its crystal home. Number 8. Coleus, the artist of the garden that explodes with neon reds and deep purples. Without soil, it consumes nutrients directly, fueling a display of color that rivals any sunset. Number 9. Angel Wing Begonia, proving that exotic metallic beauty can thrive in a simple glass jar. Its spotted leaves and hanging blossoms create a genuine showpiece of sophisticated water gardening. Number 10. Arrowhead plant, a fast-growing transformer that unfurls its leaves like emerald sails. It bridges the gap between worlds, using its aerial roots to drink deeply from its liquid environment. Number 11. Silver inch plant, shimmering stripes of silver and purple that trail with electric speed. Its growth is so rapid, you can almost hear the cells expanding as it races to conquer the shelf. Number 12. Monstera deliciosa, the undisputed titan of the indoor jungle, thriving in crystal. Its massive leaves require a root system of incredible power, coiling like white serpents in the water. It proves that water culture isn't just for small vines. It can sustain genuine botanical showpieces. Number 13. Dieffenbachia, a bold survivor that can be reborn from what seems like a dead stem. In the silence of the jar, it unfurls cream-patterned leaves that bring a majestic feel to any space. It celebrates the slow, steady rhythm of nature, untroubled by the cycles of the traditional soil garden. Number 14. Dracana, the king of stability, standing tall and architectural in its liquid sanctuary. It is an efficient traveler, taking only what it needs, surviving for years without a single complaint. A silent guardian of your home, it asks for nothing but fresh water and a touch of light. Number 15. Prayer plant, a moving miracle that interacts with the rhythm of the day and night. Every evening, its leaves fold upward like praying hands, a biological ritual of protection and peace. The microclimate of the water vase mimics the forest floor, keeping this moving treasure perfectly hydrated. Number 16. Swiss cheese vine, a delicate Monstera alternative that drapes your walls in emerald lace. It trails with a wild elegance, its perforated leaves telling a story of sunlight and shadow. A manageable exotic beauty that roots so easily, you'll soon have a cascade in every room. Number 17. Purple Heart, the electric propagator, the plant that defies the speed of nature. Set it in water in the morning, and by nightfall, you will witness the first white roots erupting. It is the fastest rooter in the kingdom, a purple lightning strike that refuses to wait for anyone. Its deep amethyst leaves create a dramatic contrast against the shimmering clarity of its water home. A biological race that you can win every single day, right on your kitchen counter. Number 18. Fresh mint, the herb of endless harvests that thrives more in water than soil. Cut what you need for your tea and watch as it responds with an explosion of new growth. It keeps the kitchen smelling like a summer garden, providing a continuous supply of clean, soil-free medicine. Number 19. Sweet basil, the scent of Italian summers that lives forever in a glass jar. Its essential oils become even more potent when its roots are submerged in pure, oxygenated water. Forget the wilted herbs in plastic bags. This is living, breathing flavor at your fingertips. And finally, number 20, the sweet potato vine, the ultimate kitchen secret and the grand reveal. For the price of a single vegetable, you can create a heart-shaped jungle that fills your entire window. Its vines can reach for feet, trailing down with an ornamental beauty that rivals the rarest tropical plants. It is the pinnacle of simplicity and the greatest proof that nature only needs water to flourish. Now that the journey is complete, the secret to keeping this liquid forest alive is in the care. Change the water every 10 days. Oxygen is the breath of the roots. Without it, they suffocate. Respect the light. Indirect sun is the forge where these emerald leaves are created. Avoid the heat of direct glass. It can boil the roots. Find the balance. Find the peace. A single drop of fertilizer is all they ask once a month to reach their giant, majestic potential. Why has the world forgotten these methods? Because simplicity doesn't sell soil and plastic. But you now hold the knowledge. You have bypassed the system of traditional, messy gardening. Imagine a home where the air is pure, and every room is a soil-free sanctuary of growth. You can see the health of your plants through the glass. No more guessing, no more overwatering. It is a more honest way to live, a more transparent connection with the earth's quiet power. Start with a single cutting today. Let it be your gateway to a cleaner, greener life. Before you know it, you will be surrounded by the vibrant energy of 20 water-living treasures. Tell your friends the secret. Show them how easy it is to grow without the weight of dirt. The water culture revolution is more than a trend. It is a return to botanical simplicity. Every old bottle in your house is a potential home for a new, emerald green legacy. Your journey doesn't end here. It begins with the first drop of water and a single seed. The silence of the growing roots is the most beautiful music you will ever hear in your home. Nature is simple. We are the ones who make it complicated. Let the water teach you. Hit that like button and subscribe to Homestead Roots. Let's reclaim our connection to the earth together. I will see you in the next one.